Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a boss watch face for you guys to check out. And yes, it is once again free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And you know you gotta download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. But I'm going to tell you this much: it is worthy of being in your lineup. All right. With that being said, the name of the watch face is called OV5 Digital. It's a 12 24-hour watch face. This watch face packs a nice punch so far as features and functions are concerned. And in AOD mode, it is going to look pretty much the same for the Gear 3, just going to be dimmed down quite a bit. But for the Gear 2, you're going to get a different look, but you will be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, looking at the watch face, it's going to give you everything that you can ever want and need so far as shortcuts are concerned. Now, you got a nice big bold digital time in the middle. Up at the top, you're going to get your step information to the left, calories burned to the right. And if you look around the watch, you are going to get shortcuts. We'll talk about that in a second. But you also get a nice floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch to your right if you look. Down at the bottom, that's going to be your moon phase. You are going to get your date, and to tap into your shortcuts, you can do that at will. You can go into, of course, your weather, your text messages. You'll be able to go into making a phone call, get your calendar if you so choose with a single tap, set an event if you need to. And if you're on your run and you want to go into your music, you can do that as well. So for a nice casual watch face that's free, download is a must. Now, you can customize the color of the watch face by double tapping in the center, and it gives you many different colors that you can choose to change depending on what you're wearing for that day. Just continue to tap and cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Tell me, what do you think? Is this a download or is it a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It is A-OK. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. You guys take care. Have a great day and or night. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.